Hi, kiddos. Look what we have today. It's a b barn. Yeah, good job. Let's see what animals are inside the barn. You say open, and I'll open the door. Open. Opening it. Wow, it's a cow. Yeah. What does a cow say? Can you guys say it with me? The cow says moo. Moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. These cows are eating grass. Can you count how many cows you see? 1, 2. 2 cows. Cow starts with the letter C. K, k, k. Cow.
Let's open the door and see what's next. Open. Wow, it's a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? The sheep says bah, bah.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here, a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Shh, these sheep are sleeping. Good night, sheep. This sheep is with his mama. Can you say mama? Mama.
Let's see what animal is next. You say open and I'll open it. Open. Wow, it's our friend pig. Yeah, good job. Do you know what sound a pig makes? Yeah. Oink 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 oink. Pig starts with the letter P.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here, an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This pig is drinking water. He's thirsty, drinking water. These little piggies are playing with us. They're being playful. Oink oink piggies. Oh, this pig is yawning. He's so tired. Good night, pig. Pig starts with the letter P. Pig.
Cluck 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 cluck. What animal do you think that is? Let's open and see what's inside. Wow, it's a chicken. Good job. The chicken was saying cluck cluck cluck. That's how we know it's you, Miss Chicken. Let's put the chicken back in her nest. There's her nest. Let's put her in. In. And she goes And she goes. Yeah.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here, a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. A baby chicken is called a chick. Beep, 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 beep. The chicks are happy because they're eating. Num, num, num. So yummy. Can you count how many chicks there are? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chicks.
Let's see what animal we have next. You say open and I'll open it. Say open. Open. Let's open it. Wow, it's a horse. Horse starts with the letter H. What sound does a horse make? Yeah, the horse said neigh, neigh.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here, a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This horse is with his dada. Can you say dada? Dada. Horse starts with the letter H. Horse. This horse is brown. This horse is white. These horses are eating. Can you count the horses with me? 1, 2, 3. 3 horses. These horses are running. They're galloping. Can you pretend to gallop like a horse? Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up, giddy up.